Thank you very much. And like the first graders, some of the second graders like to play games once in a while, right guys? Okay, this next song is another game song. And this is the type of game song. This is one of those game songs where a child's name is inserted at a certain point in the game. As we go around the class and children get to do certain things. And we're going to insert some different names tonight.